Good evening to all. In this video, let us see about the 7 elements of waste for lean. So, the lean method of production is a philosophy which was developed by Toyota Production System (TPS). This we have been discussed in our previous videos. So, mainly the TPS 7 wastes focuses on eliminating the inefficiency while delivering the highest level of value to the customer's order. So, in order to eliminate these 7 wastes and also to increase the efficiency, uh, the Japanese companies they have introduced a concept called MUDA, that is the 7 wastes, uh, known as MUDA, or the various forms of inefficiency that the lean production systems seek to eliminate. So, waste by definition is something that adds no value. It may be in the form of raw material, it may be in the form of inventory, it may be in the form of manpower, it may be in the form of any defects not being identified, and so on. So, by removing these wastes, the industry can boost or increase the manufacturing uh, plant's productivity, and the return on investment can be attained within a shorter span of time. So in this video, let us see about the 7 wastes. So the first one is overproduction, which is the cause of excess inventory, financial losses, impact on the economy, waste of resources, and market instability. So these are the 5 reasons which makes overproduction to be done in the industry, and finally, which becomes one of the wastes to be eliminated. The next one is defect, and the defects can be of 3 types. One is manufacturing defects, the other one is design defects, and the other one is quality control defects. The third one is the inventory. So, inventory refers to the stock of goods, materials, or products in the form of raw material, in the form of semi-finished products, or in the form of finished products. So, excess inventory often results in a surplus of inventory. So, when goods cannot be sold due to lack of demand, they accumulate in warehouses or storage facilities, and overproduction can lead to financial losses. So the industry will be forced to make overproduction due to the presence of this excess inventory, which in turn will lead to the financial losses for the business. This naturally has an impact on the economy, and the waste of resources results in overproduction. So overproduction is due to inventory, and over processing is the another waste, which an individual or a system engaged in excessive or unnecessary processing of information or task or resources beyond beyond what is required or beneficial. So how to reduce the overprocessing is the main concern for any industry which is focusing on lean management. So it can overprocessing can occur in various domains, including personal life, business operations, or even computer systems, and it makes it involves continuously analyzing and reanalyzing the situations or problems without reaching any productive solution. So this needs to be controlled. The next one is the motion, that is waste of motion is any motion of man or equipment that does not add value to the product or the service. So poor workstation layout, excessive walking or bending, poor method of design, transferring parts from one hand to another, poor workplace organization, large batch size product for production, often adopting reorientation of the things. All these are included in motion waste. This refers to one of the 8 types of waste identified in lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system. So it specifically relates to the unnecessary or excessive movement or motion within a process or workflow within a manufacturing unit. So reducing this motion waste will naturally improve the efficiency, minimize the workers' fatigue, and enhances the productivity, obviously. So these are just what about the motion waste. The next one is waiting and transportation. So waiting time results from failure to synchronize activities. So waiting and transportation are integral parts of our daily life. So unnecessary waiting and unnecessary transportation leads to waste of the profit, waste of the money at the end. So some of the tools that we can use to tackle the seven form of wastes are just in time, which is mainly focusing on producing or delivering items just in time with the minimum lead time gap, or in some cases no lead time gap to meet the customer demand, reducing excess inventory and overproduction. So, in a nutshell, we can see the seven wastes that are to be eliminated are overproduction, transportation, motion, waiting, processing, inventory, and defects. These seven wastes are to be controlled, and this is what the lean management looks into it. Thank you.